All right, so as we get ready to move along in the process, first we need to now prepare our volume, which allows us to optimize it for segmenting and progressing. So we go up to the workflow bar up at top. We'll click this one logo that says Adjust Volume, Orientation, and Panoramic Region. So it's going to pull up this view, which is going to allow us to make changes to the volume, orientation, and the panoramic region. So if we go down to the coronal, we click right here on this orange dot and hold. It allows us to tilt the head side to side. And then the sagittal will allow us to tilt the head vertically, front to back. And so we'll put that at 0 degrees. Now what's most important is here in this axial view, and you see this focal trough that is surrounding the hard tissue and the structure inside. So what we want to do is make sure that we hover over and get our crosshairs, and now we can make adjustments to where the focal trough sits. So we want to have all the structure that we see here in the axial view inside the focal trough. That's what's going to be most important. So we're going to do that for the mandible, but then we're going to go up to our panorama, click on this orange line, and move it up to the maxilla, and make sure that the structure in the maxilla is also inside the focal trough. So in the panoramic region over here on the right-hand side, the default will be the larger patient, which is what you're going to want to use the majority of the time. We can also change the shape of the jaw. And so we can do one of 3 shapes if we want to do that, make another little adjustment, and then we can change the thickness as well. But that's all we'll need to do to prepare the volume for optimization.